So welcome students. In this question, you're given that this equation bx square plus cx plus a is equal to 0 have imaginary roots. Then the value of this expression is always greater than something, always less than something. So you're asked to find the maximum or minimum value of this expression. So now, if the roots of this equation are imaginary, what is the condition? That is, the discriminant of this equation is less than 0. That is, c square is less than 4ab. So that's the information that you get from this information. Now, you're asked to find the minimum or maximum value of this expression. So we know that the leading coefficient of this expression is positive, and this is a quadratic expression. So this expression will have a minimum value, right? This won't have a maximum value. The maximum value will be infinity. So what is the minimum value of a quadratic expression? What is the formula? Minimum value is equal to minus d by 4 times the leading coefficient. So this is the minimum value. So let us find the discriminant of this. So the discriminant d is equal to 36b square c square b square minus 4 into 2 into 3, that is 24. 4 into 3 into 2 is 24 b square c square. So this is the discriminant. That is nothing but 8b square c square. Sorry, 36 minus 24, that is 12b square c square. And what is minus d by 4a? Minus of 12b square c square by 4 times 3b square. That is equal to minus c square. So the minimum value of this expression, is always equal to minus c square. So now, once you have minus c square, we know that c square is less than 4ab. So c square is a positive number, right? C square is a positive number. So this positive number is less than 4ab. That means 4ab is also a positive number. So if you know that c square is less than 4ab, so what can you say about minus c square? So minus c square is greater than minus 4ab. Minus c square is always greater than minus 4ab. So if you draw the graph of this expression, as we see, the least value of this expression, is minus c square. But according to the first information, minus c square is always greater than minus 4ab. That is, minus c square is always above minus 4ab. So now this expression, can I say that this expression is always greater than minus 4ab, right? Because minus c square is above minus 4ab. So this expression is always greater than minus 4ab. So option C is the right answer.